Guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to my vlog. And today we're going to be doing my closet, reorganizing and decluttering. Finally, I have a couple of hours to do it while Mikhail is napping, and I thought why not just start now quickly. Um, I'm going to try to do as much as I can right now and show you what I do. So let's get started. So first thing first, because we live in a rental property, the closet is of course not to my desire and wishes. So yeah, there's not really good storage spots. But I'll show you what it looks like right now, and yeah, and I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. Yeah. Okay. So these are all my like Western wear, dresses and shirts and things like that. These are all my desi wear at the back and my pants. And this is Vakar's section. It's pretty organized, his section, but I'm just going to show you the messier side, so don't get shocked. This. So this is what I'm going to be fixing today. And yeah, and just throw out the stuff that I don't need. So yeah, that's it. So let's get started. Okay, guys, I want to show you something that I just found. It's our wedding in white. Oh my god. 5th of July. It was a very simple card that I designed, and then yeah, that's how it was, and that's my writing. And yeah, it was a very simple card, and I still love it because I don't like going overboard. But look at these memories that are coming through from cleaning up, and I can't believe how much paperwork I have stored. I don't know. Okay, guys, the next big thing I found in my khazana is my Twilight books. I literally have each and every single one of them. What am I gonna do with this? I'm out of that phase. Oh, I was obsessed with Twilight, you know, and I found some churia and I'm wearing them. God, so much, yeah, so many memories. It's anyways, I'm not even halfway through. This is gonna take me some time. Hi guys, so finally it's done. Let me see. I started at 1:30 and it's 5:15. That's how long it took me, and I still just have to take all the rubbish out. But I am done and light jane wali hai, so I thought I should just quickly show you guys what I have done. It's a massive change and I can't believe that I'll be finally able to find stuff. But you know what? It's my closet is always organized and clean. Everything is where it belongs. But since COVID, we've been in lockdown and it's just like, put off the organization. You just put things wherever. You haven't been wearing those clothes that you would wear outside for such a while. So it's just been sitting there. And my rule is that if you haven't wore a pair of cloth or item or a dress for 2 years, you're probably not going to wear it. So that's what I do. So I'll just quickly show you. I've organized my side and Vakar's side. And of course, I have more clothes than him, so sorry if it seems a lot, but I have reached to a point in my life where now I buy quality over quantity, and it has to be good, worth the price. I don't want to do fast fashion anymore. I just want limited stuff. And my eventual goal is to minimalize the whole thing. Like just have a few pair of dresses, few pair of t-shirts, just 2, 3 jeans. That's my goal, and hopefully I'll be there soon. But let me show you now, okay, and see what I've done. Okay, guys, here we go. Doesn't that just look amazing? Like it's just so pleasing to your eyes. So anyways, I didn't have to do much here because I keep organizing this every now and then. So this is mostly the stuff I would wear to work. And just like, like things like this that I would wear once in a while, but they are like good quality stuff. So I usually hang all my tops and my dresses, my shalwar kameez, my pants, skirts, things like that. And then next to that is Vakar's formal wear suits and stuff. This is all his t-shirts. So that's, yeah. Now, because it's limited space, so what I've done is I've got these plastic containers under, which has like things that we don't wear often, formal wear, heels and things like that. And then I got these boxes from IKEA for both of us. So it's got our other stuff like knitwear and sweaters and yeah, things like that. So this is Vakar's daily homeware, pajamas and things. This is all of his button shirts. They are color coordinated, I guess. I don't know. I was so exhausted by this point when I came here, so I don't know how I did this. This is my bags, paperworks, important documentation, all of that is stored in this corner. These are all my t-shirts and tops, my casual ones, basically, that I usually wear during summer. So color coordinated, black and white, black, whites, and then just a little bit of colors that I have. That's the only color I wear. Then this is my summer dresses or the stretchable dresses that I wear, just when I was pregnant, or the comfy ones. So that's what I have here. That's my shawls. This is a box of socks, sorry. Then I've got like my pajama wears and daily homeware. So this whole area is homeware. This is my active wear. And then this is jeans and cargo pants and dungarees, things like that. So that's pretty much it, guys. What do you think? Like, you better show this video some love because I had to do it, but I had to also share it, and it took a lot of time. But yeah, that's it. So I really hope you guys like this video. Please make sure you like and share and subscribe because it means a lot to me. I want to share what I can, and if you guys show love to that, I would definitely be doing more of my vlogs. But I hope you guys like it. Do let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys soon.